So if the bathtub is clogged and you don't want to snake it, you've done the baking soda and vinegar and all of that stuff, what you could do is remove this guy over here, fill it up with water, cover this hole, use your plunger, let it fill with water, and then plunger it some more. And it should remove whatever is clogging it. Because if you don't put your hand over there and you just plunge it, it just leaves it open. So pretty much you're gonna have it like this. And that fixes what you need to fix. Guy around. And now the drain is draining like it should. So whatever was blocked over there is gone now.